All right, so we have now something that is totally functional from around the globe. Someone can get online and then press that button and it will work. But the problem is that if we run it, it doesn't look nice. The LLM hallucinated and then put no designs on it. And now we're gonna go and fix that and make it a little bit look nicer. So the first thing first, I would like to kind of like go and get rid of this thing in the first place. So I will say like, can you remove this? It should remove it without a problem. It's easy to do it. Or you can also search it and you remove it yourself. It's just a piece of code that sits there. And if we go here, refresh the page, go away, go away. Okay, that's nice. That's just like a preview of what's coming out. And then everybody clicks this, and then I see it on the other side. Okay, now what I would like to do is I would like to take a screenshot of this whole area and give it to the LLM and tell something. This is what I see. The emojis are extremely small and the fade in and fade out is super slow. Make the fade in fade out like something around 20 seconds. And the buttons on the mobile view should be big enough so that someone can tap on it. And the animation is super slow. It doesn't have like a vibe in it. Can you implement these ones? I have one more idea, which I have shown in the start of this course, confetti. So the moment the new vibe comes, I would like some confetti to happen. So confetti and the emojis at the same time. But let's do it one at a time. We'll do one step, then the next step. One of those best practices that I mentioned, we need to do always atomic features. Okay. Then what I would want to do is the next one would be to merge it once that's done, because right now we are on this branch. If you remember, we are on this branch, and that little sign means that it's a branch. And then we'll merge it to main, and we would expect this to be available on the internet. So let's accept it and see what do we have here. Refresh. Okay. So I see that all of those things going on. It goes like as a balloon. That's nice. I don't have a problem with that. So each time I interact with this, I think the other ones are going out. No, that's fine. It just gets a different position, which is all right, because this entire thing re-renders. So if I want to preserve that, we could, but it's all right. This is good enough. So what I want to do is, if somebody gives me this confetti animation, let's say, yeah, let's trigger the confetti only on confetti animation. If somebody gives me a confetti animation, then we use this react confetti animation. All right. So, and one more thing I would like to do in this one is that I want to put like a toggle button of light mode and dark mode, because I don't know whether I'm going to have that conference in a light room or in a dark room, so that I can switch between the two. And it didn't fix the mobile view. So this is the 100% mobile view. Let's see how it looks on an actual phone. It doesn't look nice enough. You see, it's super small. At least the font size and everything should be big. So I'm gonna quickly take a screenshot of that. Well, actually, it fixed the stage. So let's quickly save that one. So in this moment, fix the stage animation and size. And I'm gonna prompt it here that the mobile buttons don't look creative. Give it big button looking like style, and also the emojis should be big enough. Okay, so we have two more ideas on the list. The confetti animation triggers a confetti, and there's a toggle between dark mode and light mode. And then we'll call it a day, and then we'll merge the request, the pull request. Okay, let's see what happens. No, still it's not. No, it's not nice. It looks super ugly and bad. I really liked the design before. Well, it really looks bad. I don't like this. And also the emoji sizes are not big enough. Try to be creative and try to use some CSS magic, some CSS fading, some CSS animation, and so on. Let's see what it brings in. Sometimes it's good to trick the LLM by doing some prompt engineering and knowing how to ask for something nice. It will make something nice. I think I don't need the console anymore. The UI on the mobile view should look something like this much. We can move it next to this one. Okay, this looks nice, but well, let's do not complicate it. I would like to see the buttons, but it's okay. Let's double check. As I said, always double, triple check that if it is working fine or not. And what I would like to remove is the select feature. Oh, what's that? Oh, this was not done yet. It was it was in progress. This is what it is doing right now. Okay, dokie. This fading and dancing thingy is happening, but one small I have a small comment here, is that this is very nice. It is looking at vibe stage thingy. Now the rounded circles or pills are touching each other. They should not touch each other, and also the radius, the border radius of all of them are too much. I think it's going in there in the vibe thingy that I want to. So if I keep touching this and then it keeps showing me like that. Okay, nice. And the sad face. Okay, nice, nice. So now we are there. But this fade in and out is a little bit too much. Let's see what it fixes here. Okay. I have further ideas, like showing here some messages that there is nothing, please press something, or something like that. It doesn't look nice. Anyways, I'm gonna let the LLM finish its job. It's a little bit too much. To be honest, the CSS animation and the fading and the jumping is a little bit too much. Try to be decent here. Okay, the grid itself is too much touch. Yeah, it doesn't just have enough gap. Okay, always test if everything is intact. So if we go to Excalibur and we double check what we plan to do, we're literally on this part of like the top part in here without the text idea that I had in mind. We will trim a lot of ideas from this, like the text. People can send short few word messages, and also the race between their countries based on their browser locale. If somebody's coming online from Germany or India or America, then their flags will get some score the number of likes they send. This is a feature that we will do it at some other point in time in the future, not now. Okay, now, yeah, this is much decent. I think we'll go with this version. Okay, so we are a few moments away from the deployment. I hope the fix the mobile view. So what I will do is we will treat the dark mode and light mode as a separate feature, and we will deploy that as a separate checkout. Now it's the time to go to GitHub, vibe stage, and then we already have this pull request. I'm going to create this pull request, and I am going to create this pull request real-time feature. Well, actually, I have an idea in mind. The reason that I would like to end this video here is I want to create a separate video for creating pull requests and for reviewing pull requests. So see you in a bit.